natin sa kalahating oras. Dito ko tayo sa transport. Ano ba na guys, Ramadan pa. Ramadan pa kaya mga tao na mga pagod. Kulang sa tulog. Tulog ko, kulang sa tulog. Parang kinakaibang. Harap ko yun. Si Heidelberg, tutulog siya. Tulog. Sherry, Zeus, Juan, meron isa doon sa 1, 2, 3, lima lang ng mga pagod ng mga tao. Sobrang busy. Para kami nag-racing. Ayan, shout out dyan. Tagal ko rin po. Tagal ko. Kaya ito nag-alay. Siguro mga dalawang tagal na ito eh. Tagal na ito. Busy ko sa kami. Ito po ang yung bus namin. Walang tao, kundi lang. Ito naman yung driver namin. Driver from India. Mr. Bijo from India. Ayan, mayroong bus o buy 3 get 1 from Grand Hypermarket. Ganito malabo. Malabo. Ayan. Ayan, sa mga gustong mag-abroad dyan, akala nyo lang ang bilis din mag-abroad. Maganda lang siya pakinggan, pero may maganda sa pakinggan, pero mahirap mag-adjust sa time, sa kasama sa trabaho. Ayan, shout out dyan kay Varsity. Ayan, kumusta po dyan sa Cavite? Ayan, shout out din dyan kay Miss Jody Tero Vlog. Ayan, kumusta? Ayan, shout out dyan sa Cavite. Big love shout out sa iyo, Miss Varsity. Ayan, maingay ako, nagising yung katabi ko. Ayan, si Mildred from Bayrak. And my driver,
Say hi, Bijo.
Bijo. Driver. Is from Iya, Carla. The too much money. Wajid puluh sana. Yeah. Ayan, shout out sa iyo dyan, Miss Jody Tero Vlog. Kumusta? Ayan, ito kami. Kayod Kalabaw na naman kami. Akala lang nila masarap ang abroad, no? Ngayon, sobrang pagod namin kasi Ramadan. Oh. Azus, say hi to my live. Yeah, he's from Syria. The famous guy in Syria. Mashallah. Super Azus. And Cherry, yeah. She's no, in YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
You have a lot of fans?
As of now, I have 3.
Really? Oh, this one is free? Better to close.
Yeah, because it's been long time. I did not use this one. No, I think 8 years, 8 months, 8 months. 3,000 viewers. Yeah. Wow, watermelon, no? Pero pangit ang lasa niya, nabilad na eh. Yan, maganda yung mga forma namin pero ano, busy kami sa store para kami nag-racing. Sa store namin parang racing eh. Ayan, empty dyan sa likod. Oh. Ano lang kami 5. Papunta kami sa ano, sa trabaho. Ano na dito, papasok kami ng alas 5, yung pick up is 3:30. Alas 5 ng hapon. Kasi ibang oras ngayon eh, kasi sa Ramadan. Ramadan. Yeah, thank you. Salamat sa pag-like. Please don't forget to like and share.
Who's single there? Ask them.
Azus, he's a single guy.
Only single.
He's looking for a very beautiful lady.
No, I look for ugly. I don't like this one.
You don't like sexy also, son?
No.
You like mataba?
Yes, happy.
Yeah. He like mataba.
Oh, what she said, your kabayan, I saw her.
Yeah. Share done in my community, Aywa. Thank you so much for sharing in your community. Yung mga mukha namin, oh, pagod na pagod.
What you said?
I said, my face is very tired.
Tell her he's up there to go to the Philippines with your family.
You wanna visit in Philippines?
Yeah, it's one of the ladies there.
Okay, when I go back when I go vacation, I will find for you, okay? But you like mataba and ugly.
Mataba. Mataba, it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
At least she can do what with me. And cook.
Yeah. She will eat you and you will eat her.
No, the food you need.
Yeah, the food.
The food.
Mm. Ayun, thank you so much dyan sa 4 million na viewers. Mashallah, 4 million. Well, it's been a long time. I'm not doing like, I think 9 months. Doing at work. Miss Jody Tero Vlog. Ito ba yung ano? Ah, wife ni ano? Tito? 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 Kumusta po dyan sa atin? Naka-ready na ba ang lechon? Ate Mers, uwi ka ba? Uuwi ka ba? Ayan, nandito na kami sa Gate Mall. Yan ang Gate Mall. Gate Mall. Ito naman, yan yung mata, yan, Bayrak Mall. Katabi ng Gate Mall. Ayan. Ang mga amo, bababa na. Bye, Melvin. Azus,
Bye.
happy sailing, okay?
Okay.
Bye bye. Say bye. Bye bye. Yan. Punta na kami sa Alcott Mall. Ano kasi biyahe ko dito, pero ito 1.5 hours papunta doon, malayo. Nasa dulo ng ano yun, dulo ng isla. Biju, when you send the stuff, you will you can rest and then come back again to pick up again.
Oh, no. 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. So you will return back to Salmia and then you just eat and then pick up again.
No, I'm only tea break only.
Huh?
Time. Only one tea break.
Oh,
Then again start. What happened?
not. I'm just
You
asking.
coming?
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow you coming as only one tea break and maximum 10 to 15 minutes.
So mawify sir?
And go there at 6:20.
6:45.
45 you can start. Maximum 15 minutes.
We will pick up again.
Yeah.
So better I will stay in the.
Yeah, you are more than here, stay more than 2 hours.
Hmm. Ayun guys, papunta na kami sa Alcott Mall. Alcott Mall. Ayan, salamat dyan sa nagstay. 2 million viewers. Next time guys, magano tayo, magpa-Gcash tayo. Gcash tayo, Gcash next time. Then, saan punta? Bye bye everyone. See you next time.